Social Security numbers, mammograms, and bank info all leaked online.
If you're a patient at Norton Healthcare or employee, your sensitive information could be at risk. WDRB's Valerie Chin has been digging through the massive hack into the healthcare system and what it means for thousands of people.
It's been more than 6 weeks since the Norton Healthcare cyber attack. For the first time, we're seeing how huge of an impact it has caused.
This far out, I'm still trying to understand why there isn't any communication, why they're still having these issues. And again, nobody has told me anything from Norton has told me anything about what the problem was.
Kevin Kay says he's run into issues getting paper prescriptions and appointments for his son, 13-year-old Byron. He now wants to change healthcare providers. Norton Healthcare released a statement last week that said it recently was made aware of a social media post from a group called Black Cat that claimed responsibility for the cyber event that took place on May 9th, 2023. We continue to investigate and are cooperating with law enforcement in their investigation.
Do you have any worry that your personal information was released?
Yes, that is one of a major concern. If somebody took the time to get in there, both of my children's personal information is with Norton's, and I don't want their information to have been taken, maybe used for identity theft or some kind of fraud.
WDRB located these documents on the dark web. They had not been redacted, but we are blurring them. They appear to be authentic, and they appear to show employees' names, social security numbers, and birth dates. WDRB also saw a patient's mammogram and patients' personal information on their drug therapies. Other leaked documents appear to show Norton Healthcare's interest checking information with a balance in the tens of millions of dollars. Norton's operating accounts and payroll accounts, too.
I'm just trying to understand why the other hospitals, other medical groups haven't had this issue. What did Norton's do or not do to cause them to have this major issue that's been going on for weeks now?
LV, also known as Black Cat, released this public announcement saying, "We have provided more than enough time to Norton's executive board members, but they failed to show bravery to protect privacy of their clients and employees. Simply, they failed to protect confidential data, and they're making false statements in the news and lying to people." The hackers warned Norton to make a ransom payment, or the hackers would release very interesting data and images that belong to all patients and millions of Social Security number records. Norton says it took systems offline to protect the network and to allow for care to continue.
I'd like to hear them say, look, we had some serious issues with somebody hacking our servers, and we're trying to get it back online. Here is a tentative week that we're going to have it done.
With photojournalist Stuart Hammer, Valerie Chin, WDRB News.
We reached out to Norton about the hack. The company saying in a statement, quote, Norton Healthcare is working with leading cybersecurity experts on this review, and the FBI is involved. We are dedicating significant resources to assessing the impact of the incident, end quote. Meanwhile, WDRB is still digging through dozens of hacked documents. There were simply too many to mention in this report. Find out what other leaked information Valerie uncovered in her investigation right now on WDRB.com.